Good afternoon, guys. It's Wages here. Hope everyone is well. It's the 20th of September, Tuesday, 2022. The markets are live. The cryptocurrency markets are also live. Just a quick one. Please read the disclaimer. There's no financial advice. I struggle to tie my shoelaces in the morning, let alone give financial advice. So please read the disclaimer. And this is for entertainment and educational purposes only. All right. Cheers, guys. So just a quick one. I just sent out a tweet asking about a few stocks this morning and getting a few replies about, what's worth looking at the minute, in the stock market. Probably predominantly the alternative investment market, which is absolutely fine because that's the sphere that we operate in for the majority of the time. Well, it's what I do anyway. And anyone listening, just loves the allure and the volatility and excitement of small market cap companies, right? I just love it. If you can chart penny stocks, right, you can chart anything. So anyway, so is it Predator gas and oil? Right, so I asked the question with a tweet. Sorry, this is not the most eloquent of mini podcasts, but no problem. So I asked a question, what stocks should we look at? Where's the tweet? Let's have a quick look. Where did I do it this morning? There's quite a few notifications. Oh yeah, I'm on notifications, that's why. Right, here we go. So I asked the tweet, what stocks are worth looking at right now? And got a few answers up to now, which is quite interesting. So shout out to AM Trader 93 because he made me aware of PID. Now I charted it, I think last time I charted PID was last year. And we got some moves correct with it. So I did a quick rechart, right, on it. And what I'm going to do, right, is just cover Predator Oil and Gas Holdings, PLC, real quick. And we'll try and keep this video like under 7 minutes long if possible. Okay, and I'll probably post the link. I posted the link to the chart on the LSC, and I'll post the link to the video as well. Please give us a like, share, retweet if you find this information useful. We're literally going to just draw it from scratch. And so we're on the daily chart. Every candle is a day of trading. We've got a live market in front of us. So up to now, pretty decent volume, 2.26 million up to now. We're only 12:30. It's lunchtime. We're currently at 8.41 pence. It's currently up 0.48 pence intraday. So let's try and figure out what it's doing. Okay, so I did a quick redraw, but then I've deleted the chart and I thought, you know what, let's just draw it. Let's just try and draw an idea on what we think it's doing now for the viewing public. You might find this interesting. So the touch dominant trend line, from what I can see, because I already drew it just before, is the bottom, right? So what we do is we draw this touch dominant trend line. So we're looking for the macro idea. So let's just try and adjust this accordingly. It's going to be a super quick chart. Nothing fancy, right? Sometimes simplicity is the key. We don't need to use millions of indicators, loads of fancy indicators, the Fibonacci replacement fan, the MACD daddy indicator, all these indicators, right? I don't know. The flux capacitor indicator. I don't really use a lot of indicators. I use EMAs and I use moon phases, and but price action is using the candles, right? So the candles are the strongest indicator on the charts because price makes the candles, right? So from what I can see, looking at this macro idea, we've got some sort of a level along the bottom, right? So we've drawn that trend line. So what we'll do is, let's have a quick look. We're trying to reveal potential market structure up ahead or down below, whatever the case may be. So we look like we're in an uptrend. Okay, it looks like we're in an uptrend. Looks like we're in a macro uptrend by the looks of it. So this has been running for a while. It's a couple of years, this macro ascending channel idea. Okay, so let's just put a couple of levels in. It's looking pretty interesting. Let's just put a couple of levels into the up and let's just see where we think price may want to refill. So we've got a level here. We've got a level here. Let's have a quick look. Let's have a look. Is that just 11p? Just under 11p. Couple of key levels. It's really interesting. What is interesting me about this chart is the EMA convergence. Where price is at right now, like literally right now, there's the potential for more. If the buyers get on this, looking at it, there's a potential move, I think, for it to move to want to retest 11p. And then we've got 12p there. It's already made a bit of a move, as we can see recently, right? So we'd need the buyers to stay in, etc. But looking at the macro chart, let's just draw an arc. There seems to be the potential for a gap refill with this move. Okay, let's just readjust this arc a little bit. There we go. There we go. Right, okay, interesting stuff, right? So if this is the lower trend line macro idea, we've got support. There's some sort of an ascending channel going on. I probably need to draw that. It looks like a relatively tight ascending channel by the looks of it. There's some sort of a trend line going on or ascending triangle going on. What is interesting is this real tight convergence right now of the EMAs. Super tight convergence. Price is just trying to get on top. Sorry, I don't know why I'm shouting. Price is just trying to get on top of these EMAs, and there's potential gap refill. So let's just compartmentalize the action, just shrink it down. There you go. That's how I see Predator oil and gas moving. Could price reverse and head back down to these lower levels? Of course it can. Price can do whatever it wants. Will it do? I don't know. Possibly. What we're looking at here, possibly not. But what we're looking at, we're trying to look at potential market structure, which is the room ahead for price to move into with PRD. There's a couple of levels of resistance, right? So there's a level of resistance on the charts approximately at 9.08p. So this level was kind of created July, like 22nd of July. This once price came down. So we've got a bit of a level. But do you see this, guys? Look at that beautiful cup and handle continuation pattern there. That's like, I mean, I'm not invested in this stock, by the way, okay? For the record, okay? I am not an investor in this stock. I have no position in this stock. I have no intention of buying this stock, okay? I'm not ramping it for any third parties. No one's paying me to do this video or anything like that, okay? For the record, before the trolls and the haters try and attack and say that I'm trying to manipulate price or anything like that, I'm certainly not. I'm taking an honest look at the chart, working out where it's come from, where it possibly might be going to. Beautiful cup and handle. We can see the sell-off. There was the left shoulder. Okay, this was the reversal pattern. There's the left shoulder. There was the head, and there was the right shoulder. Okay, so what I love about the markets, let's have a look. Yeah, that's the right shoulder. Or this could be the right shoulder, but we've got the left shoulder that was formed Feb. Okay, if you can hear that beep in the background, it's a Telegram alarm going off. Sorry about that, guys. So 14th of Feb 2022, left shoulder, head was formed 6th of April. Right shoulder, head and shoulders reversal was formed like 1st of June. There you go. So you can see we've got a key level of resistance up ahead, right? Key level nearly at 12 pence. Okay, EMAs converging, beautiful tight convergence of the EMAs, right? Let's just see where they actually are. Okay, so we got, yeah, there's the 9 underneath, 20 underneath, 21 underneath, 50 underneath. But the big daddy EMAs, the 100 and the 200 are right there. So I'm looking at Predator Oil and Gas Holdings PLC, and I'm thinking, yeah, oops, let's just straighten up this arc. This is just TA literally drawn on the fly right now. Like the look of it, market structure, macro trend looks good. Volume's looking healthy, convergence of EMS, potential market structure. I think there's a move in it, you know. Not financial advice, of course. Definitely I can give advice on trying to tie shoelaces. Just about. That's it. There's some more levels moving forward, but I'm just looking at potential moves at the minute with a tight convergence, market structure. like the look of it. All right, guys, if this video is of any use whatsoever, please give us a retweet, a like, a share. Give me a follow. We're trying to get the algorithms up. I'll get the video out now and I'll post it on the LSE and I'll send the hashtag out to a few people that might be interested in the information contained in this little mini podcast. I'm going to try and be a bit more productive. We're trying to get to 5,000 followers on Twitter. I hope everyone's having a great day and I'll catch you all soon. Cheers.